Hey guys, do you need a Windows 10 key or a Windows 11 key or even an Office key? Go to gvgmall.com, click on Buy Now, and then in promotion code type in JT Bivens and hit apply, and you'll get 25% off. So it brings it down to $16. I really appreciate it. Links in the description. Thanks a lot. Hey guys, how's it going? Hope everything's going well for you. Got another quick and simple video here. Do you absolutely hate that when you right click on something you don't get your full menu the way you did in past versions of Windows, that you have to click on show more options to get all of your stuff? There's different ways to fix that, from Windows tweakers to going manually into the registry and editing a bunch of things. You don't need to do all that. It's super simple. You can create this little registry file. I'll put a link to it in the description if you want it. And just to show you real quick, this is what it does. It just adds this right here to your registry. It's all it does. Nothing malicious. So what we're going to do is, see, if you right click on this, you get this menu. Well, what we're going to do is double click on our little registry entry, and we're going to click yes. We do want to continue. It says that it has been added to our registry. We're going to hit OK, and as simple as that. Now what we need to do is we need to restart Windows Explorer for it to take effect. You don't have to restart your system, but we're going to right click down here and go to Task Manager, More Details, and you're going to find Windows Explorer. There it is, at the very, very bottom. Alright, we're going to click on Windows Explorer. We're going to right click on it, and we're going to click on Restart. Alright, now we can close this out. Now, if we right click, we get our full menu. It's as simple as that. Alright. Thanks for watching. And like I said, I'll put this link in the description so you can download this, along with links to other things that'll help out the channel. Thanks for watching.